Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigrations. Today I will talk about basic eligibility requirements for Australian student visa. Like in any visa, there are some basic requirements that a student must meet to be eligible for a student visa for Australia. If I talk about full-time study, students enrolled in a full-time study course are only eligible to apply for a student visa under subclass 500. If I talk about part-time and distance learning courses don't qualify. And genuine temporary entrant, it means GTE. Getting an Australian student visa requires the student to be able to prove that he or she is a genuine temporary entrant. If I talk about essentially, that means that you should be able to convince that you only intend to travel to Australia for studies and would return to your home country at the end of the course or after a few years of experience. Your visa applications are accordingly assessed on various factors, namely your circumstances in your home country, which includes your economic circumstances, potential circumstances, opportunities for you in Australia, and value of your chosen course to your future, and your immigration history, and your other relevant matters. If I talk about health checkup and insurance, in order to receive a student visa for Australia, you need to provide proof that you are in good health. You can do so by providing a certificate of good health, is it? And if I talk about the health checkup and certificate can only be provided by the impaneled doctors. You can make an appointment with the one closest to you for the same. E-medical facilities. E-medical facilities are available in India and often the records are updated immediately. You would be provided with a HAP ID which you would need to provide at the time of filling the form. Also, Indian students also need to provide a chest X-ray that proves that you don't suffer from tuberculosis since India is considered a high risk country. So you can apply for a health checkup before or after starting the visa application. However, getting it beforehand would ensure quicker processing. Apart from a health checkup, you also need a health insurance or an OSHC, Overseas Students Health Cover. So at the time of the visa application, you should have an Overseas Student Health Cover OSHC for the duration of your visa. Depending on the duration of your health cover, your visa tenure would be settled. So make sure that it covers the duration of your course. The average cost of OSHC is Australian dollar 438 for 12 months for a single student. If I talk about your character, students are required to provide proof of good character, which necessarily suggests that you don't have any criminal case against you and or you have never been departed from Australia before. Often, a simple declaration of the same is accepted on the form. So if you have any query regarding this video, you can share your query in the comment section. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. You can also share your profile on my WhatsApp number 9914615605. I will tell you what is better for you, which course is better for you, which university is better for you, and what is better for you. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy and take care.